Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel injectors on a Dodge Ram 1500. This task might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's quite manageable. We'll cover everything from preparing your workspace to installing the new injectors, ensuring you feel confident throughout the process. You'll learn how to tackle this common maintenance item efficiently, saving you time and money. Let's get started and make this repair a breeze for you. Before diving in, let's talk about what you'll need. A good metric socket set, a few open-end wrenches, and a specialized fuel line disconnect tool are crucial. Don't forget safety first. Always wear eye protection and gloves. It's also a smart idea to have a fire extinguisher within easy reach, just in case. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair, so take a moment to gather all your supplies. Now, let's get to removing those old injectors. First, disconnect your battery's negative terminal for safety. Next, it's vital to relieve the fuel system pressure. Consult your vehicle's manual for the exact procedure. Once pressure is relieved, carefully disconnect the fuel lines and electrical connectors. Then, unbolt and remove the fuel rail, allowing you to gently pull out the old injectors. Take your time with each step to avoid damage. With the old injectors out, it's time for the new ones. Lightly lubricate the O-rings on your new injectors with a bit of clean engine oil. This helps them slide in smoothly. Carefully push the new injectors into the fuel rail, then seat the assembly into the intake manifold. Reconnect all fuel lines, electrical connectors, and finally, the battery. Double-check all connections for tightness before starting your engine to ensure no leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.